You've picked the perfect LEVOLOR window treatments to fit your room. Now let's get accurate measurements so they fit your windows. It's a cinch. First, choose between mounting your blinds or shades on the inside or outside. Your custom inside mount treatments will provide a clean, integrated look. It's the most common mounting choice. You might choose custom outside mount treatments if mounting them on the inside is not a feasible option, or for aesthetic reasons, like making windows look taller. Decided? Either way, you'll need to measure each and every window you're ordering treatments for. Let's begin with inside mount blinds and shades. It's easy. Using a metal tape measure, measure between the inside surfaces of your window frame, horizontally across the top, middle, and bottom. Measure to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. The shortest of these three measurements is your width. Now measure the inside surface, top of window to top of sill, vertically at the left, middle, and right. Again, measure to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. The longest of these three is your height. Lastly, let's measure for depth, making note of any cranks, handles, or tracks that may interfere with the function of your window treatments. Double-hung windows are a common and frequently overlooked obstruction. Be sure to measure from the front of these obstacles to the front of your window frame. Remember, depth requirements vary by window treatment type. Refer to product specifications to make sure the products you wish to order will have proper clearance. Now let's measure for outside mount. It's even easier. Using a metal tape measure, measure between the outermost points where you will want your blind or shade to extend. Be sure to overlap each side of your window frame by at least 2 to 3 inches, and measure to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. This is your width. Now measure from the highest point where you intend to install your blind or shade to the sill on which the bottom will rest, overlapping the top by at least 3 inches when possible. If there is no sill, measure to your desired length, at least 3 inches below the bottom of the window when possible. Make all measurements to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. This is your height. Ta-da! That's all there is to it. Please remember, however, windows that look identical often are not. So whether you're ordering inside or outside mount treatments, be sure to measure each and every one. There you have it. Now you're ready to measure your windows and place your order today. You've got this, and we've got your back. So if you have any questions anytime, you can always give us a call.